Them dunce, them dunce. Have the phone and carry the message. Dunce. Hi boy. Simple heights of great man reach and kept. Them no know it. Hey Jamaican. Hey dear man Crawford. Let's stay some man. Talk show. You couldn't tell me say enough of the labor right them can't read and write. You couldn't tell me say enough of them dunce over there.
What can you go so?
Shame and disgrace on them man. Eh? And what this father got? I walk one. J Brian. I walk one over there sir. You know see walk one. Hey. And then you not come one like you know come size up with a bright leader. BNP, show them how bright, yeah, man. Dr. Dayton bright, yes, him can read and write. Crawford, you beat them daily, them can't put up no fight. Isaac Buchanan, where you there? Over Portland. You drive the wife and the husband crazy, them no know where them stand. Them two dunce. Them two dunce. Them dunce. Them dunce. Two dunce. Boy, this Labour Party. Dunce. Them dunce. Have the phone and carry the message. Dunce. Jamaica, come in at this. Had them same one cut out Jamal. Them two dunce. BNP care about education. We don't dunce. Hi boy. Damien Crawford tell the kids education. We don't dunce. You know fi dance. You must dance. You know fi dance. Hi boy. This is a national disgrace. Oh my lord. Lady, oh you get the job and you can read and write. Don't you know this is disgrace?